It started on a summer afternoon when the sky was hard and white, the kind of heat that bends the air and steals the breath from life. The land was dry, the grass was thin, no rain for far too long. You could feel it in your bones that day that something would go wrong.
The Mercury climbed and wouldn't stop, 45 in open shade. Boots stuck soft to melting tar, every move delayed. Cattle stood beneath lone trees, shadows tight and small, and every paddock held its breath, waiting for the fall.
Then the wind came up from the northwest, hot as a furnace door. Northwest, it stayed all day and just kept asking for more. Gusts blowing over 65, no mercy, no relief. Every spark became a monster, every flame found teeth.
And when the fire began to run, there was nowhere it wouldn't go. With screaming wind behind its back and a sky that glowed. But when the worst was closing in and the ground began to shake, this country showed its truest heart in the choices people made.
Jumped the lines and raced the fields through scrubbing broken ground. Smoke rolled thick like a moving wall, a choking, roaring sound. You could hear it before you saw it, like a freight train on the run, turning fences into embers and day into burning sun.
Homes were threatened, sheds went down, years of work erased. Machinery lost to rolling flame, whole lives displaced. Tractors blackened, hay turned ash, tools that built a name. When fire takes the things you earned, it's never just the same. And when the fire began to run, there was nowhere it wouldn't go. With screaming wind behind its back and a sky that glowed. But when the worst was closing in and hope felt hard to find, people stood their ground together and refused to leave lives behind.
Sirens cut the boiling air, red lights through smoke and night. Crews rolled in from everywhere, ready for the fight. Faces tied before it started, hands already scarred, knowing full well this wouldn't be easy, knowing it would be hard.
They held the lines, they chased the edge through ember, heat and flame, while the wind kept changing nothing and the fire stayed the same. Hoses shaking, visors down, ash stuck to their skin. They didn't ask what they might lose, only what they'd save within.
When the flames were closing fast and the night refused to fall, they stood between the fire and home and answered every call. No headlines then, no medals worn, just courage on display in the darkest hours of the day. Farmers turn their utes around, water tanks tied tight, cutting breaks through dust and sweat long into the night. Neighbors helping neighbors first, no questions asked or why, just doing what this land's taught them when it's time to stand or die.
The night went on forever, glowing red instead of black. Every gust a new direction, every step